Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Durand Cup shares his thoughts in Mann Ki Baat on Akashvani, hails reforms in space sector. Meghalaya Chief Minister Durand Cup is out of the hospital and under medical supervision at home following treatment for scrub typhus and typhoid. Music icons Lou Majau and Zubin Gar to receive honorary doctorate of literature at the convocation ceremony, University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya. Meghalaya's football craze reaches fever pitch as Durand Cup first semi-final between Shillong Lajong FC and Northeast United FC inches closer. And now for the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, during his Mann Ki Baat program on Akashvani on Sunday, said that the youth of the nation has benefited a lot by the space sector reforms. He said a lot is happening in the country which is strengthening the foundation of developed Bharat. He also said on 23rd of this month, the countrymen celebrated the first National Space Day and celebrated the success of Chandrayaan 3.
21वीं सदी के भारत में कितना ही कुछ ऐसा हो रहा है जो विकसित भारत की नींव मजबूत कर रहा है। जैसे इस 23 अगस्त को ही हम सब देशवासियों ने पहला नेशनल स्पेस डे मनाया। मुझे विश्वास है कि आप सबने इस दिन को सेलिब्रेट किया होगा। एक बार फिर चंद्रयान 3 की सफलता का जश्न मनाया होगा। पिछले वर्ष इसी दिन चंद्रयान 3 ने चांद के दक्षिणी हिस्से में शिव शक्ति पॉइंट पर सफलतापूर्वक लैंडिंग की थी। भारत इस गौरवपूर्ण उपलब्धि को हासिल करने वाला दुनिया का पहला देश बना।
Chief Minister Durand Cup has been released from Civil Hospital Shillong following treatment for scrub typhus and typhoid. Although he has been discharged, he will continue his treatment and remain under medical supervision at home. A medical team visited Sangma at his residence and confirmed that his vital signs are stable. He is now receiving care from healthcare professionals at home as he recovers. Sangma was admitted to a private ward at Shillong Civil Hospital on Friday after testing positive for scrub typhus. The Chief Minister Youth Centre Insight and held its second exhibition yesterday, showcasing products crafted by youths who completed training at the centre. The event featured a variety of items including fresh fruit juice, clothing, food and wooden furniture like tables and chairs. The trained youths displayed their skills through these diverse creations. District Agriculture Officer R.B. Lingwa praised the efforts and encouraged them to continue honing their skills. Meghalaya's Lou Majau, a renowned pop rock icon from the Northeast, will be awarded an honorary doctorate of literature at the University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya, 10th convocation on August 27th. Alongside Majau, Assam's celebrated singer and heartthrob Zubin Gar will also receive the honour. Governor of Meghalaya, C.H. Vijaya Shankar, will present the degrees during the ceremony, which will be attended by numerous vice-chancellors academics, distinguished guests and thousands of students. The Lions Club of Shillong held a candlelight vigil at Police Bazaar today to protest the recent rape and murder of a female doctor at R.J. Kar Medical College in Kolkata. A large crowd gathered to honor the victim and raise awareness about violence against women. Sushanta Kumar Roy, president of the Lions Club of Shillong, voiced deep concern over rising rape cases and crime against women in the country. He urged for greater awareness and measures to enhance the safety and security of women.
As we know, we are all fed up with this violence against women. It's really horrifying. I don't know how many of this report came out in the news, but there are many other things are happening which do not come in the report. So we want to raise voice against all these things.
The West Khasi Hills Stone and Sand Traders Association is stepping up its protest against new extraction restrictions. At a meeting on August 23rd, leaders Ba Pinlangbor Nongbri and Maukodor Khars Imli announced a blockade of all stone and sand transport until the government provides a solution. They criticized the 2016 regulations as burdensome and have restricted access to these materials for all users until further notice.
Na ha ka khandai tarik ni rai ban strike lak bu no hadu monday kaji sta jini ya kane ka de sta ja umma bu siap ban supply shop ro ki pajba ne saga government ne sekinu di company but hadu menta kalong ka job ka strike ke chongi umdan manu bakit siap bakit mau ban hadu company lu ke telang ban ni tengi ai ka khuble ni company ki wat ka siap ka thi ka factory rubyang ro ni pensanga i umau le te ka de ka jing khu bakini lu ke telang ban ni.
Pharmacy students led by Amos John Seamley called for more job opportunities by addressing the severe shortage of pharmacy staff in state hospitals. At a press club briefing, he emphasized the need for more pharmacy employees and suggested that a local pharmacy industry could create jobs. The students urged the government to boost staffing in PHCs, CHCs and hospitals, ensure salary compliance by NGOs and support youth job seekers. They will appeal to MLAs for permanent positions and transparency in filling vacancies.
Pharmaceutical industries Meghalaya dan Pli nomor what kijua ki marjan ki bodon ha north east kajongi kila dan Pli ki pharmaceutical industries ki bahe but ki bawa man supply dawai akaleng jong tadi ini teleng lada ka sarkar ka Pli no ya ka pharmaceutical industries kan long ka we ka kabuk sel ya ki khna pharmacist background bakin yokam.
The Sinjuk Seng Samla Shnong Pindeng Umyong Mairang yesterday organized a seminar for the candidates applying for different posts under the District Selection Committee examination. This seminar was organized at Tirot Singh Memorial Hall, Pindeng Umyong. Additional Deputy Commissioner Eastern West Khasi Hills District A. Nongbri shed light about the preparation for the various examinations and encouraged the youth to work and to spare their time to prepare for the exams. The upcoming Durand Cup 2024 semi-final between Shillong Lajong FC and North East United FC is nothing short of a festival for Shillong. Scheduled for August 26th at JN Stadium, the event has sparked unparalleled excitement across the state. Here is a report.
Football's deep-rooted popularity in the state is evident as tickets sold out almost instantly. Phase 1 online tickets gone in under 6 minutes and offline sales at Limakra, Polo and Police Bazaar quickly exhausted. An additional ticket counter at Usosotham Auditorium was set up to handle the overwhelming demand after fans faced long waits and heavy rain.
We are really excited and eager to play the match of tomorrow because it's a milestone not only for the club, also for all of us, and obviously for all the faithfuls and people from Meghalaya. So we'll try again to do our best performance as we did in the last match. The scenario of Meghalaya, the scenario of Sidon. If this is the scenario of Northeast, I would like to be always here in Northeast because this scenario is unbelievable. It's incredible. I've seen this in Spain many times, but here in India, never before.
To extend the matchday experience, fan parks are being established throughout Shillong and district headquarters, besides broadcasting it live on Sony Live and Sony TV channels. These will feature live screenings, performance by Meghalaya grassroots music program, and food stalls, replicating the stadium atmosphere. Designated fan parks include Maulai Madan Hai, RV Lindo Parking Lot, Malki Ground, Ompling, Limekra Police Point, and Nehu Campus.
Nakalan yung office yung Deputy Commissioner Ripoy District, mag-office yung Sub-Divisional Officer Patarkhma. Ngikot sa bahay pi, bepirman pet yang ng semi-final match happening ng Shillong Lajong United, pagka Northeast Football United, kamanong lasay kasi hakapor sanchting. Nginabu iki giant screen, hapapam sim nong po, para po Patarkhma, Secondary School Patarkhma. Kajingwan yung pila siya, kalong ajikarsan, umtangin iki team jungi, Henreru ikirang ilakay na katan, Ripoy District BA jungi, Kulishwood.
The Durand Cup 2024 has brought to the fore the love of the state for the game and provided the much-needed opportunity for the soccer-loving people to celebrate and immerse in the festivity. Bureau Report, DD News, Shillong.
And now for the weather report. Minimum temperature 16.9 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 26.2 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 70% and in the evening 70%. Forecast, moderate rainfall and thunder shower is very likely to occur at many places. And now for the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi shares his thoughts in Mann Ki Baat on Akashvani hails reforms in space sector. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma is out of the hospital and under medical supervision at home following treatment for scrub typhus and typhoid. Music icons Lou Majau and Zubin Garg too receive honorary doctorate of literature at the convocation ceremony, University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya. And Meghalaya's football craze reaches fever pitch as Durand Cup. First semi-final between Shillong, Lajong FC and North East United FC inches closer. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.